Come on in. I want to welcome you to my blue and yellow garden. And this is a garden that's it's pretty low maintenance actually. It's got a lot of yellow ground covers. It's got golden lamium in it. It's got blue paint, which is the easiest blue to get in a garden. And it has these lovely yellow poppies that reseed. Now, the complaint that a lot of people have with these poppies is that they reseed too ambitiously and they feel like they're weeds. So I want to tell you the secret of a lazy gardener, and it is pruning off the seed heads before they drop the seeds. So these are these called Shirley poppies. They're annual poppies, but they drop seeds and come back year after year here in the Pacific Northwest. So what I do is I simply prune off. These are the seed heads, the petals have fallen, and I'll prune those off before they go to seed. I don't really get all of them, so the secret is these thick ground covers all around the base of the poppies. And the lamium and vinca and all these ground covers shade the ground. So these seeds from the poppies, not very many of them are going to sprout because of the shade of the ground covers. Ground covers are a great way to reduce your weeding, and therefore you'll have more of these self-seeding annuals like the poppies. This has been Mary Ann Bonetti with easy answers for great gardens.